Yay! My workshop is finally clean and organized, and I'll give you a little tour. I have an unboxing tutorial coming up on LaserPecker LP2, but I wanted to give you a look around my workspace. So I have all my materials on these shelves for engraving, and to organize all my stuff I made these stacking boxes, and I also have this drawer system from IKEA. The palette table, which I am demonstrating my lasers and tutorials on, is self-made from 2 pallets and a couple of wood sheets. I also have this amazing long work table where I just set up my fiber laser and a cup of coffee. I have my painting station over here where I made my own shelves and also a holder for my phone when I am recording tutorials. And for staging my pictures, let's see if I can move out of the light, I have this little photo station which is also connected to one of my phone holders, since I usually also make a short video of the projects. I have 13 lasers currently. I have the Monport Onyx 55 watt. I have the LP2 Plus, which I haven't unpacked. I have the Monport GPro 30 watt fiber laser. On the other side here I have my other laser setup. So I have my LaserPecker corner, which consists of the LaserPecker LX2 with the smoke purifier, and I was reaching for some cords, so I'll just move this back in. Then I have the LP5 with the air purifier. I have the LP4, I have the old LP2, and this is my LaserPecker shelf. Also, I have my Creality Falcon A1 Plus. I have Ortur R2. I have the Acmer P3. And down below I have the Creality Falcon 22 watt laser. My giant machine over here is my Vevor CO2 100 watt. And I lead all my smoke to the attic through this pipe over here, and I have a connection where I can take the hose here and attach it to whatever laser I am intending to use. The Falcon and the Ortur both goes on the same smoke purifier, so I actually don't have to vent those, which is nice. And also these two are already using the smoke and air purifiers. Down here I have all my materials. I don't have much yet, but I have more on the way. And I have all my other excess and handy tools down below my table. I also have a smoke extractor for my fiber laser over here. The 2 shelves which I have these lasers on, I also built on my own, or my husband did, and they also has wheels, so in case I need to use a laser in the inner shelf, I can just roll them out and flip them around as I need. But this is my workspace. What do you think? If you'd like to learn more, feel free to follow me. I also run a Facebook community. I have a Skool Community. I run a YouTube channel, and I love helping and teaching. I sell all my digital files on Etsy and through my own website, MiMoDesignLaserfiles.com, where you can also find discount codes and affiliate links for all my lasers, including other brands and also the tools that I love using. If you have any questions at all, drop a comment and I'll make sure to answer everything that I can. And I'll see you in my next video.